Hi, I'm Urooz Fatima, a passionate game developer fueled by a deep passion for creating immersive experiences through technology and storytelling. With a strong passion in data structures and algorithm, and continuous practice on platforms like LeetCode, Codeforces, and HackerRank, I'm committed to sharpening my skills every single day. I'm proficient in C++, C, and Python, the very languages that power some of the world's greatest games. Driven by my love for game development, I have already built Shadow Switch, a creative 2D puzzle game where players master both light and shadow to solve mind bending challenges, bending logic, creativity, and timing into one unique experience. I have also contributed to developing an online compiler with advanced features like live file saving, designed to make a coding accessible and efficient across devices. Because I aim to work at the heart of gaming universe in place where legends like Nintendo, Capcom, and Square Enix were born. I've also started learning Japanese, preparing myself not just technically but culturally to be a part of that vibrant world. I'm diving deep into game physics, AI behavior, graphics engine, and everything essential to building the next generation of games. I participated in several hackathons and I was among top 3 contestants at one of the hackathons. I also have good profile on LeetCode, Codeforces, and HackerRank, solving dozens of problem solving and DSA questions. This proved that with passion, focus, and resilience, I can face any challenge and come out stronger. I'm also looking forward to participate in multiple game jams. I'm excited to keep pushing boundaries, growing my skills, and someday contribute to crafting unforgettable gaming experience. Kore karamo ganbari masu. This means in Japanese, I will continue doing my best.